So we'll see something of the API, how the API is being called in the React, and how can we get the list of this thing. Okay, let's start from the basics, from the template. So let me remove everything. I'll just keep the basic template of it. Okay, I'll also remove this one. Okay, so this is basically just the basic of it. For example, I'm just saying hello. Okay, hello world. First, let's use the use effect loop. Over here, what we are going to say is we have to use the fetch API, correct? So let's say fetch API. I've already know this URL. So this URL basically has all this the fields. This is the data what we have over here, user ID, title, and everything. Let's use title over here. Okay. So these are the data over here. Fine. And then dot then of we'll just no, sorry, we have already used dot then of. We'll use a temporary variable called as resp, and in this, so whatever we are getting the response, we'll put this in a JSON format. Okay, and then dot then of, again we'll put that in a any temporary variable, whatever you can use. You can even use your name, that's fine. We will define this variable set items, and whatever data is coming, we'll put this in the set items thing. Okay, and afterwards let's just define the empty dependency area. So as we have defined the set items, so let's define that variable also, const items comma set items. We'll just define it as empty array. Okay, now we have to declare the, because it says use state and use effect are not defined. Let's try to import it. Import react from use state comma use effect from react. Okay, so this we have defined. So everything, all the items, the whole data is there in items. So now let's try to display it. We will use that in the unified list. And now where are this is there in the items, the type map. We will use a temporary variable, and then in this we will iterate through a list. So key, as we have seen that we have an ID over here, right? So for example, I will show you. So we have an ID, so we'll use this as the key. So item.id, and then we'll say, now again if you say li, we're going to get a list, right? Where is it? Cannot assign fragments. Why? Okay, we have not yet closed. No, we have closed it. Okay, anyways, so let's try to do this with temp dot title. Okay, temp dot title. So what's happening? So ul li we have done this. That's good enough. Temp we have done. Okay, so we didn't close this. Okay, so let's close this, and then I'll close this. Okay, right. Li k equal to this one, and li we have closed. This we have closed. Okay, there's one more bracket. Okay, so this we have closed, and this we have closed, and this. So now we are using the list and the temp dot title. Okay, so this is what we'll be using, the use effect, and we'll be putting all the data in the items, and items we are going to iterate over here. Okay, that's it. Thanks.